Isn't it a good time to be born as a child in Shanghai today? This nursery was set up in early 2019. It caters to children between 18 months and 3 years old, just before they hit kindergarten.
I sent my daughter here when she was 19 months old. As she grows bigger, it becomes harder for her grandparents to take care of her. It's also one of the reasons why I decided to have a second child. My husband and I both work, so having our eldest child being looked after gives us peace of mind.
The construction and rental of this nursery is funded by the local government, but its day-to-day operations are managed by a kindergarten company. Parents pay 3,000 yuan, or over $460 a month, for a 5-day week of full-day childcare. The fees are used to cover operating expenses, such as staff salaries.
Things are rather standardized in Shanghai. Food for kids at our nursery is uniformly distributed by the district's education bureau to where the source can be traced. Our activities are monitored, while the facilities and equipment is used according to the standards issued by the local government. All of this is to ensure the safety of our children.
Having affordable nurseries that cater to children under the age of 3 has partially solved the woes of parents who were maybe quite hesitant to have a second child. But how do we ensure that there are enough of such nursery services around? For Shanghai, one method is to integrate them into present kindergartens, and this will be one of the city's major focuses in the coming years. One such kindergarten has been operating as a pilot project since September 2018, months after Shanghai implemented policies to improve its childcare services for those under the age of 3. Fully public funded and run, it charges a monthly fee of 500 yuan, or just under $80.
You might think our integrated kindergarten would mostly benefit parents, but in fact, it also benefits our teachers. They become more loving and patient, having dealt with children's psychological characteristics and behavioral habits from a younger age. This will also help the children progress more naturally to kindergarten and primary school.
There are currently over 900 institutions that provide nursery services in Shanghai. Of this number, 62% have been integrated into kindergartens. There are more than 530 nurseries that charge a monthly fee of 3,000 yuan and below, which makes up about 58% of the total. Over time, we hope to have affordable nurseries cover a majority of our district and communities.
Service providers say the demand for childcare services in China far outweighs supply. They hope to have not just more human resources catering to those under the age of 3, but also caretakers and teachers to be professionally trained. Wei Lintang, CGTN, Shanghai.